obsessed with classy handbags? I think I've got you. So I ordered some incredible bags and trust me, these look so beautiful and expensive. Let's take a look. First up is this. Look at this beauty. It looks so premium and classy. The quality is superb. And you can wear it like this. और it comes with a sling. तो आप इसको sling के साथ भी use कर सकते हो. And along with that you will get one coin pouch as well, which is so thoughtful. इसको यहाँ पे add कर सकते हैं हम. Look at this. So if you need to invest in one purse, this is a one. This is another beauty from Tommy Hilfiger. Look at this piece. I really like the stripe pattern all over it. It comes with a small branding over here. Along with that, you will get the chain sling. The chain quality is so premium. Look at this. And it has one zip. Along with that, you will get a good amount of space. You will get one zip here also. And you can carry like a sling. Look at this. Next up is this beauty. Look at this piece. It's a structured vanity bag from Kazo. It looks so premium, so gorgeous, and I really like the color combination. You can use this bag with the handle like this, or you can wear it like the sling. It comes with a detachable sling, and I believe if you're looking something which is different but at the same time classy, this is for you. I saved the best for the last. This one is from Charles & Keith. Look at this beauty. The quality is super amazing. It has a branding over here. I got it for 50% off on Myntra. And yes, you heard right, 50% off. And look at this piece. It comes with two slings. So अगर आप दोनों sling use करोगे तो ये as a sling bag use कर सकते हो. But if you use only one sling, then you can use as a shoulder bag, or you just hold your hand like this. So if you will still get this piece on Myntra, definitely you should grab it. If not, so you can check their website also, because right now the sale is going on. So might be there's a luck you will get this piece on the same price. You should definitely try it.